Hello, in this lesson we'll learn how to simulate an object explosion. I've already set up the scene for us. There's a bunch of barrels, each equipped with a rigid body and capsule collider. The explosion itself will be triggered by an invisible sphere. Let's take a look at the explosion script. Inside the script, we've got a list of rigid bodies, a variable for the blast force, and the explosion radius. Using trigger, we gather all the barrels within this sphere's radius. When we press the spacebar, it calls the explosion method, which calculates each barrel's distance from the center. The closer a barrel is to the center, the more it'll be affected by the blast. Let's check out the result. It's look pretty fun, right? Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.